What is the role of the Public Sector Internal Auditor in ensuring effective key controls?
Essentially, effectiveness of key controls in a government setting would be characterized by the cooperation between internal auditors and external auditors. And in that respect, our view as external auditors is that we need to have a common approach to identifying the risk to government. We need to have a common approach in identifying what really matters in government. And within our analysis of these risks, we have identified them in primarily three categories. One is the effectiveness of the leadership in setting the right tone at the top. And in this respect, we are looking at leadership being exemplary when it comes to the ethical conduct within the organization. We're looking at leadership being effective in terms of the provision of human resources that are skilled enough to get the job done. We're looking at the leadership being able to provide the adequate technological resources to get the job done. And finally, leadership being able to provide a higher level of commitment to action plans that need to be acted upon by the officials within the government entity and department. And it is in this respect that one of the critical areas of significance when it comes to effective controls is the accuracy and credibility of information. And here, the universal norms of accountancy and universal norms of reporting are very important. And that relates fundamentally to the daily controls that need to be carried out in government, monthly controls that need to be carried out in government, reconciliations, and everything that needs to be done to give assurance that information is unquestionably credible. And it is in this respect that we want to work hand in hand with internal auditors in looking at the credibility of information, both at the level of financial information, at the level of performance information of government, what is commonly known as service delivery, as well as something fundamentally important to do and carry out government activities within due process, which is compliance. So those are the areas that for us would fall within the ambit of effective key controls for which we want to work very well and collaboratively with the internal audit portfolio.